The whole world kind of shuts off when you're welding. It's just pitch black. It's almost like being in outer space. It's kind of like a magical skill.
We are joining two pieces of metal together and we're heating them several thousand degrees. That in itself is just a powerful act.
I grew up with a single mom. College was never really an option. I naturally fell into labor trade work. I moved to Detroit in 2018, found out about the program, and the first day I started welding, I fell in love with it.
Women Who Weld is a nonprofit organization. We teach women how to weld and help them find employment in the welding industry.
After 2 years of working in the field, building my skills and knowledge and experience, Samantha reached out and said, hey, we're actually thinking about hiring you as an instructor. And I just was head over, I was like, no way.
It's great to have Kate around to kind of speak to participants about what it's like as a welder.
I love Samantha. She's the only person that has ever treated me like I'm worth something, and I'm really grateful to have met her.
Well, that's really sweet. God, now you guys are gonna make me cry.
When people ask me what I do for a living, I tell them that I'm a welder, and not only am I a welder, but I get to teach other people how to weld. I've never felt so proud to tell somebody what I do.